Hi friends, Ajay this side. Okay, this is the final output, but I'm going to show you how it works right now. Okay, and the red line in this graph is showing the predicted price, and the blue line is showing the original price of the market from the year 2010 and 2017. Right now I had analyzed the data from 1994 to till 18th May of 2017. This much data I am having right now. Okay, for security purpose, I cannot tell you which data I have used. So, okay. So before showing the actual output, I really want to show you how the size of hidden layer will affect the output. Okay. So here we go. That's my program, the main algorithm. Okay, it will ask me to select the number of hidden layer size. If I put 10 here and I'll do okay, I'll be getting output which is having very low accuracy. So that's the concept of tuning of your software and tuning of neural network. So you must know what is the optimum value of the hidden layer, so that it can get automated and give you the best prediction. Right now what I've shown you here you can see the prediction value is quite low. As I shown you previously, the prediction value was high. So okay, if I train my network with number of hidden layer 20, I'll be getting output little bit accurate, but not as that much accurate as I told you. Okay, so what is the optimum value of the hidden layer is I'm going to show you. Okay, I'll run the program again and I put the value 150 around. Though this is not actually optimum value, but yeah, this will give me accuracy around 96 and 97%. And the training will definitely take time. You require a massive server for getting your system trained. Learning, though right now the training is being processed. So as you can see, there's a hidden layer 150 size. Okay, so that's the problem with neural network, the problem of tuning software. Okay, I have also built one of the massive application using Keras, and at the back end you can use Theno or TensorFlow. That is the section I'm going to show you on the next video. You will get it soon. So that will auto train the Keras library. That's the thing built in Python. Also, the real-time application of this system is built on Python. This is a proof of algorithm. Okay, so after getting the system get trained, you will see a more accurate output. And also this time I'll show you how you predict the next forthcoming date, because right now I've trained my system with 70% of data till the 2010, and rest of the 30% data I have used for prediction till the 2000, from the 2010, from September 2010 till the May 2017. Now my system is almost get trained, and you will see there's a huge difference between the previous output and this output. As you can see, my graph is actually following the curve of stocks. You know what is the problem with the stock market? The stock market system is quite unpredictable. It is not easy to predict the stocks. As you can see, let me show you. Here, this is the portion. Okay, my system is predicting from 9 September to till 18th May. Okay, and you can see the curvature of graph. Here it goes down, it goes up, it goes up, yeah, and thereafter again up, then go down. These are the thing I have explained you on my previous video about the Bollinger Band, how it affects where is the right time of investment, when you can do what is the right time to withdraw your stocks or withdraw price at in this peak. And but with right now the system I'm showing you, it will give you the really good estimation of the pricing. That means if I do invest at this time, and my system gave me a prediction that at the year of at this date I don't know what the date it is. Let me check it out. Like this, at around 14th May, at at around 2016 or some else date, you will be getting huge profit. The system will yield that thing to you. Okay, so this is the right time to investment, and you'll be getting profit, huge profit after 10 or 15 days of money investment, and that will give you huge return. So that this is the thing our organization designed, the proof of algorithm and the prediction system. Okay, this type of system hasn't been available yet, and yeah, the accuracy is also depend the number of users. So that is why I do not allow everyone to use this system. This system is dedicatedly designed for those person who really wants to invest in stocks. Okay, the final selling is based on the bidding. Yeah, so the person who can pay more, he'll get the system type. Okay, and let me show you one more thing, how it will predict the next time. So I'm running the script right now. Okay, so let's see what will happen if we want to predict the next, make a prediction for next year, or for next 2 year date, or we can say any, what will happen, what will be the closing price of at the year of 2018, 19, something like this. So I'm going to run my prediction environment for the next time. Okay, after getting huge accuracy, all you need to done for the next prediction, here it will ask you to feed the date. Like I'm feeding 11, the date, the year is 2019, the date is 11, and the month is also 11. Okay, that's how you need to fill the date. And while you press the enter, it will give me a predicted value. So where it lies, that's the most important thing, because this is the graph, and we can see that the predicted value will comes out 5.9779 e raised to power 3. So it will come, it will be something around here. That mean on that date the market value is low. So if let me show you how you plot this value on the graph, and over the original value. So let me plot the predicted value one first. So this was this is the value of previous market. So let me make a figure, let me open another figure 3. Okay, and let me write it down. Plot, control V. So you will be getting plot like this. Okay, and figure 3, that was the market, and our predicted values like this. So let's see where it is lie. Hold on, for figure 3, and right now I'm going to plot my predicted value at some scale like 100, so that the time gets shifted. The plotting of y and n. With a red star. Okay, so you can see the value comes out at very low point. That means this time it is really bad time to withdraw your money. Maybe market will goes up after some time, so let's see what will happen after some time. For the next prediction, I'm again running the program, and right now I'm just putting a date of 2020. at the year of 2020, and the month is 12, and the year and the date is 10. So I'll be getting some value of this. So let me plot it again on figure 3. So right now I'm just writing, hold on the figure, CLC, and plotting the red value. So let me see where it comes. So you can see it will comes like this. So market will go high at this point. So that's what we call time series prediction. It's really hard to understand at the very beginning, but you can see it will give that mean at the year of 2020 and on the month of 10 and the date is 10, you will get some profit by investing the stocks. That mean you can invest up to that much period. But if you want to invest your money at the year of 2019 and the date is 11, then you will be getting huge loss at this time. Let me show you. So this is all about my prediction system. I built